Jayakody. I'm an interior design graduate of AOD and I'm currently a freelance interior designer. As a designer, my main moment is when I walk into a space before it has been created. I like seeing the potential of a space, what I can do with it, and how I can make people feel more energetic and make that space more functional and aesthetically pleasing for my clients. The coolest thing about being a designer is having the ability to change people's feelings through spaces. I like making people more efficient or productive by the elements that are in my space. Not only am I ready for tomorrow, but I'm excited for it because in Sri Lanka, design is booming, and with everything that's happening with the development of this country, design is a key element, and we as designers can contribute as much as possible to it. Another opportunity AOD gave me was the chance to intern in my second year. I interned with at and I had the most amazing and most insightful experience there. AOD has a very conceptualization is something that AOD has paid a lot of attention to rather than compared to other universities, and so I think AOD would be a great choice for anyone who's interested.